get ready with me to get my breathalyzer removed. Y'all, there's like a blizzard today for some reason. I gave up on not getting my feet dirty. Should we review some Prime? Fuck Prime. Unless they sponsored me. Just hit a little re-up outside the gas stats. We gotta find shelter, y'all. Good thing we got that pen to keep us warm. I'm finally a normal citizen, y'all. They took my breathalyzer away. Alright, well, the shit's still in my car because apparently they can't get my car in the garage. Come on, bro. You got one job. Let me put it in the garage, bro.